Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the Podcast English channel.
Hi, everyone. I'm Alex, and as always, I'm here with my good friend Emily.
Thank you for joining us today. We are very happy you're here.
Yes, very happy. And today's topic is very special, very inspiring, and very real.
That's right. Today we're talking about how English helped me get my dream job.
Oh, I love this topic.
Me too, because English is not just a language, it can change your life.
Exactly. Today, you will learn how English helped people get better jobs, why English is important for your future, simple ways you can use English for your career, and how you can use English to reach your dream job.
And don't worry, we will use simple English, we will speak slowly, and we will explain everything clearly.
Yes, so even if your English is beginner or intermediate, this podcast is for you.
Before we start, let's take a quick moment.
If you enjoy learning English with us,
Please follow our podcast
subscribe to our channel.
and share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
Your support helps us continue making free English lessons for you.
All right, let's begin.
Emily, let me ask you something.
Okay,
What is a dream job?
good question. A dream job is a job you really want. It makes you happy, you feel proud, and you feel excited to go to work.
Yes, it's not just about money.
Exactly. It's about doing something you love, helping people, growing and learning, feeling confident.
Many people have dream jobs like teacher, engineer, doctor, tour guide, office worker, hotel staff, business owner.
And for many of these jobs, English is very important.
Emily, can you share a story?
Of course, let me tell you a personal story.
I'm listening.
A long time ago, I was a student. I had big dreams, but I felt scared.
Why scared?
Because my English was not good. I could read a little, but I was afraid to speak.
I think many listeners feel the same.
Yes, I was shy. I was afraid to make mistakes.
That's very normal.
One day, I saw a job post. It said, English required.
Oh no.
Yes, at first I thought, I cannot do this.
But you tried.
Yes, I told myself, if I don't try, I will never know.
So what did you do next?
I started small.
Small steps?
Yes, I listened to English every day. I watched simple English videos. I learned 5 new words a day. I practiced speaking in front of a mirror.
That's a great tip.
I also made mistakes. Many mistakes.
Mistakes are good.
Yes, mistakes mean you are learning.
Say it again.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Okay, tell us about the interview.
All right, I was very nervous.
Heart beating fast?
Very fast. The interviewer asked questions in English.
Scary.
Yes, but I stayed calm. I spoke slowly. I used simple sentences.
That's very important for learners.
I didn't try to sound perfect. I tried to be clear and confident.
And?
I got the job.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you. English opened the door for me.
I want to share a story too.
Please do.
I had a learner named Sam.
Hello, Sam.
Sam worked in a hotel. At first, he only cleaned rooms.
Okay,
He started learning English every day after work.
that's dedication.
He practiced speaking with guests, simple phrases like, "Good morning, how can I help you? Enjoy your stay."
That's practical English.
After 1 year, he became a front desk staff.
Wow.
More confidence, better salary, better future.
So, Alex, why does English help so much?
Good question. English helps because many companies use English. You can talk to international people, you can learn new skills online, you look more professional.
Also, English gives you confidence.
Yes, when you speak English, you feel strong.
Let's give some simple tips.
Great idea.
Tip number 1, learn English for your job.
For example, office English, hotel English, business English.
Tip number 2, practice speaking every day.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Tip number 3, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are your teachers. Alex, now that you got your dream job, how did English help you every day at work?
Oh, every single day, Alex. English was not just for the interview.
That's important for listeners to know.
Yes. For example, I used English to write emails, talk in meetings, explain ideas, ask questions.
Can you give a simple example?
Of course, in a meeting, I might say, I have an idea. Can I ask a question? I agree with you. Let me explain.
Very simple sentences.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
You don't need big words.
You just need clear words.
Alex, many learners say this sentence.
Let me guess. My English is not good enough.
Exactly.
I said that sentence many times too.
What would you tell our listeners?
I would say, your English does not need to be perfect.
Yes.
In work, people care about understanding you, your ideas, your attitude.
Not perfect grammar.
Right. Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
So please, don't wait for perfect English. Start now.
Emily, I want to share another learner story.
I love learner stories. Go ahead.
This learner worked in a factory. His job was very hard.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but he had a dream. He wanted an office job.
And English was the key?
Exactly. Every night after work, he studied English.
Wow, that takes strong motivation.
He learned basic office vocabulary, how to introduce himself, how to answer simple questions.
And what happened?
After 1 year, he applied for an office assistant job.
I'm excited.
He got the job.
That's amazing.
English changed his working life.
Alex, let's talk about promotion.
Good topic.
Many listeners already have jobs. They want better positions.
English helps with promotion because you can talk to your boss, explain your work, and help international clients.
Also, you can say things like, I'm ready for more responsibility. I want to learn more. I can help the team.
Those sentences show confidence.
Yes, confidence plus English equals opportunity.
Emily, let's practice with our listeners.
Great idea.
Listeners, repeat after me. Speak slowly.
No pressure. I am learning English.
I am learning English.
English helps my future.
English helps my future.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I can get my dream job.
I can get my dream job.
Great job, everyone.
Emily, did English help you outside of work?
Yes, a lot.
How?
I could travel, make international friends, watch English videos, read books.
That builds confidence too.
Yes, when you feel confident in life, you feel confident at work.
Let's talk about something real.
Slow progress?
Yes, sometimes learners feel stuck.
That's normal.
What should they do?
I tell myself, slow progress is still progress.
That's a powerful sentence.
Even 1% better every day is amazing.
Emily, can I ask you something personal?
Of course, Alex.
How did learning English change you inside?
That's a good question.
Take your time.
Before English, I felt small. I didn't speak much.
Many learners feel that way.
After learning English, I felt braver. I raised my hand. I shared ideas.
English gave you a voice.
Yes, English helped me believe in myself.
Emily, did you ever make mistakes at work in English?
Oh, yes, many times.
Tell us one.
Once, I wanted to say, I'm busy today.
Okay.
But I said, I'm boring today.
Oh no.
Everyone laughed, kindly.
That's good.
And I laughed too. I learned, and I never forgot that word again.
Mistakes become memories.
Let's help our listeners with useful phrases.
Great idea.
Here are simple workplace sentences. I will try my best. Can you help me, please? I'm still learning. Thank you for your patience.
Those sentences are very powerful.
Yes, they show honesty and effort.
Okay, listeners, let's practice together.
Speak slowly, no pressure.
Repeat after me. I am improving my English.
I can communicate at work.
My English is enough for today.
Excellent. Emily, did English bring you new opportunities? Yes, many.
Like what?
I could say yes to new projects, new meetings, new responsibilities.
Because you understood English.
Yes, before I said no because I was afraid.
English removed fear.
Emily, I want listeners to remember this.
Tell them.
English is not a school test.
It's a tool.
Yes, you use English to share ideas, to ask for help, to build your future.
Not to get perfect scores.
Alex, some listeners ask, am I too old to learn English?
My answer is simple.
What is it?
No.
It is never too late.
Age is not the problem.
Fear is the problem.
And fear can be beaten.
Many listeners are busy.
Work, family, life.
But English can fit into life.
For example, listen while driving. Practice while cooking. Speak in your mind.
Small moments matter.
Emily, can English help leadership?
Yes, definitely.
How?
When you can explain clearly, people trust you.
Trust creates leaders.
English helps you lead, not just follow.
Emily, imagine yourself 1 year later.
Okay,
What would you tell today's listener?
I would say thank you for not giving up.
That's beautiful.
1 year of practice can change your life. Dear listener,
Your dream job is not too far.
every word you learn is a step.
Every mistake is progress.
Keep going, even when it's hard.
We believe in you.
Dear listener,
Your English journey is your own.
don't compare yourself to others.
Compare yourself to yesterday.
You are growing, you are learning, you are moving forward.
Let's review more key ideas.
English helps you get hired, get promoted, feel confident.
You don't need perfect English.
You need practice and courage. Thank you for staying with us today.
We believe in you.
Please follow our podcast, subscribe to our channel, and share with someone who needs motivation.
Your dream job is possible.
English is your bridge.
See you next time. Keep learning English.